Hello Numberblock fans! Welcome to my YouTube channel Super Creative Numberblock Zone. Today I will show you how to rebuild the number blocks from 0 to 100 part 4. Well, from 31 to 100 in part 4, I will show you how to build the number block from 31 to 35, which is only 5 numbers because I don't want to mess the times up. Well, anyways, let's build the number block 31. Number block 31 is made of 30 light yellow blocks. Well, number block 31 is a calendar because in one month has 31 days. Well, that's why we can recognize him by red calendar on his head. And number block 31 is also prime position. Well, because number block 21 loves to figure number block 31 himself out, then number block 31 is a calendar because 1 month is 31 days, but sometimes has 30 days, but some case has 28 days in February, or 29 days in February too in leap year. Well, we can recognize him by two red eyes and red eyebrows with red mouth, also with a red calendar. Number block 31, I built him as a calendar shape because 1 week has 7 days, so that's why I built 7 blocks wide. Well, number block 31 has 2 rounded eyes because he's not a super duper rectangle or even super rectangle. And so that means 31 is made of 30 light yellow blocks and 1 red block. The 30 light yellow blocks is ready, only 1 red block, which means 30 plus 1 equals 31. Number block 31 needs 2 red eyebrows, 1 for the left and 1 for the right one. Well, doesn't stuck. Sorry everyone, because I put it at the wrong position. And here another eyebrow, red eyebrows. Well, it's because why do the number block 31 has red edges at his face? It's because it represents that 1 in 30 blocks. Oh, the sticker, it doesn't stuck anymore. And also include the red mouth. Oopsie, sorry. And here isn't finished because we have the another accessory is a calendar. Well, let's peel the sticker. It's a little bit long because I haven't ready yet of doing these. Well, there. And we include this calendar. Well, I don't have numbering, and anyways, here are finished number block 31. For the next up number block is number block 32. Number block 32 is made of 30 light yellow blocks and 2 orange blocks because 32 is made of 30 plus 2. Number block 32 is the doubler number because number block 32 is made of 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 2 is 4, 4 plus 4 is 8, 8 plus 8 is 16, 16 plus 16 are 32. Well, number block 32 is also in the Octoblock Club, the 4th Octoblock alert. Well, number block 32 is the 5th dynamic member. Because, yeah, anyways. I built number block 32 in the rectangle 8x4 4x8 rectangle formation, and the blocks are finished. Let's attach the sticker. Well, number block 32 has 2 edges orange eye with 2 orange eyebrows with orange edge mouth. Because number block 32, because orange represents that 2 in 30 light yellow blocks. Number block 32 is not a super rectangle because she cannot make 5, 6 or 7 rectangles. Anyways, here are finished number block 32. For the next number block is number block 33. Number block 33 is made of 30 light yellow blocks and 3 yellow blocks, which means she's a football player. Well, number block 33 is the 3rd member of the football player because because number block 33 is made of 11 times 3. That's why number block 33 has 1 big eye at the left and 1 small eye at the right. Number block 33 also has a crown, but number block 33 is not. Number block 33 isn't the number block traditional yet in official because number block 33 hasn't figured herself out. Well, number block 33. Well, that's why I create my own number block 33. I made the number block 33 as 11 by 3 because 11 lots of 3s are 33. Well, number block 33 is made of 30 light yellow blocks and 30 yellow blocks because number block 33 has 3 in 30 blocks. Well, the blocks are finished, not the face. Well, number block 33 has 2 eyes, which is the left one is big like this, and the right one is small because she's the 3rd member of the 11th club. Well, number block 33 is not an official number block because number block 33 isn't figured out. Well, anyways, this is the number block 33, but there's an accessory is a crown because I want to recreate my own self. Well, here are finished number block 33. For the next up number block is number block 34. Number block 34 is made of 30 light yellow blocks and 4 green blocks. Well, number block 34 has the green edges, faces, features because 34, the green represents that 4 in 30 blocks. Number block 34 is made of 2 lots of 17 because number block 34 has splats like number block 17 too. That's why number block 34 is also in the number block 17 club. Well, number block 34 is an even number Well, if you lay 2 blocks wide, you see there's a flat, no 1 blocks on top, which means 34 is made of 2 17s. Well, I built number block 34 by using 30s in 5 lots of 5 by 6, and the 4 blocks by laying down on the top. Or you can also put the number block 30 in traditional rectangle or normal or usual rectangles and put the number block 4 on the side. You can be also put like this too, but I like in the smaller ways. Anyways, the number block 34, the blocks are finished. Well, number block 34 has 2 dark green edge eyes, because green represents that 4 in 30 blocks. Number block 34 has 4 green splats. The face of number block 34 looks like number block 17. And here are the splats, because 17 lots of 2s are 34. And here are finished number block 34. For the last number block, or not least, is number block 35. Number block 35 is made of 30 light yellow blocks and 5 blue blocks, because number block 35 is made of 30 plus 5. Number block 35 is also in the Rainbow 7 Club, because 5 lots of 7s are 35. Number block 35 has 5 rainbows flowers, because 5 lots of 7s are 35. Number block 35, you can recognize him by two eyes with glasses, with blue glasses, because blue features mean like to represent that 5 in 30 blocks. The 30 blocks are finished. I made the number block 5 by 7 lots of 5 rectangle formation. Well, number block 35 has 30 light yellow blocks, including 5 light blue blocks, because 35 is made of 30 plus 5. The blocks are finished. Let's attach the sticker. Well, number block 35 has 2 light blue glasses, like number block 2. Well, number block 35 has light blue features because it represents that 5 in 30 blocks. Well, and here is the mouth, and don't forget the flowers. One flower has 7 colors, which means 5 flowers has 35 colors. The flowers are a little bit ugly because I cannot cut it, but when I draw it, it's very beautiful. But cut it looks ugly. Well, anyways, here are finished number block 35. Alright, let's repeat after me. Number block 31, number block 32, number block 33, number block 34, and the last one but not least is number block 35. So this is the end of this video, how to rebuild the number blocks from 31 to 35 in part 4. Well, before I end this video, I would like to say goodbye everyone for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Well, anyways, see you in the next video. Goodbye everyone.